Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of NeuroNation app. You will click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about NeuroNation and you will click here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of NeuroNation app. Here you will find this app. If you find update in this blue sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.